Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Aston Martin Rapide. This four-door sedan has a 12-cylinder, 6.0-liter V12 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Aston Martin is a great value with less than 44,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.